Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cross bag. For this tutorial you're going to be needing your fabric, your tailor's chalk, your scissors, your tape, and then your gum stay. The next thing I'm going to do now is to determine my measurements. For the measurements of this bag, I'm using about 35 inches long for the height of the bag, and then for the width of the bag I'm going to be using 9 inches long. After doing that, you open your fabric, place your gum stain and iron. After ironing it, you place it on fold again and then notch the edges of the fabric. The next thing you do is to place your fabric the wrong side, still on fold, and then you mark 12 inches. 12 inches, that is the flap for the bag that I am marking out. You can mark any inch you want depending on how long you want the flap to be. I'm taking 12 inches because I need the flap to be long, like almost the same length with the bag. After marking the flap, what you're going to do next is to take the bottom of the fabric, the two edges which you had cut with your scissors to determine the middle, and take it up to meet the 12 inches that you marked for the flap. After doing that, you're going to discover that you now have 2 layers of the fabric plus the flap. Then the next thing you do is to stitch it round, leaving a little space of about 6 inches where you can fold. After sewing it round, this is what it looks like. As you can see, the cross bag is almost ready. The next thing to do is to pull it out inside out. The reason why I told you to leave that 6 inches is so that you can use the 6 inches to pull out the fabric, the front side of the fabric, like what I'm doing in the video now. So when you're done with bringing it out, the next thing to do is to iron it very well. This is how mine looked like after ironing. So we are done with the body of the bag. We are heading to the handle of the bag. For the handle of this bag, we're going to be taking 3 inches for the width, and then for the length you can take any length you want depending on how long you want the handle of your bag to be. You can take 45 inches long. So after cutting out your desired measurement for the handle of the bag, you open it and add your gum stain, iron it. This is what it's going to look like. Then the next thing you're going to do is to fold the edges. Fold it with about 1 inch long. 1 inch, you fold it, then you iron it straight, then you fold it again, and sew it straight. After sewing the handle, this is what it looks like. The next thing to do is to fix it to the sides of the crossbar. That is how you're going to be fixing it. You carry it like this, place it by the side, sew it straight, bend it again and sew, and then that's just it. It's very simple, it's not hard. Just watch the video and see what I'm doing now. See, sew it straight, then you bend it, sew it again to give it that balance. You do the same for the other side of the bag. So this is the result of the bag, guys.